Good morning, students. How are you all? In earlier classes, you have done multiplication table of 2 and 3. Today, I am going to tell you table of 2 and 3 in dodging pattern. So students, if I will say you to write table of 2, so you write in sequence like this. Like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 tens are 30. Like in this pattern. But in dodging table, you have to write which your teachers or anyone will dictate you. So children, listen carefully and write with ma'am. We will start dodging table of 2 and 3. So students, take out your maths notebook and write with ma'am. Okay? First, we write down the day. Day is Wednesday. Date is 5/8/2020. Heading, dodging table of 2 and 3. So students, tell me 2 threes are. 2 threes are 6. Yes. 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are, tell me, 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are, listen carefully, 2 eights are 16. Very good. 3 twos are 6. 3 fours are 12. 3 ones are, yes, 3 ones are 3. 3 six are 18. 3 fives are, yes, 3 fives are 15. Very good, students. That's all for today. This was your classwork and this is your homework. Okay, students? And you do in your notebook, classwork and homework. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.